Looking for the perfect way to welcome summer into your home? Imagine stepping up to your front door and being greeted by a stunning handcrafted wreath, bursting with bright colors, fresh greenery, and beachy vibes. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 beautiful summer wreath ideas that will make your home feel like a tropical paradise. Stick around because I'll also reveal a simple DIY trick to make your wreath last all season long.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are some classic summer wreath themes? A classic summer wreath can instantly brighten up your home and reflect the beauty of the season. One timeless option is a sunflower wreath, featuring big, bold sunflowers mixed with greenery for a cheerful and warm touch. Another classic idea is a coastal or beach-themed wreath, using seashells, starfish, and soft blue and white accents to bring an ocean-inspired feel to your space. If you prefer a more elegant style, a citrus-inspired wreath made with faux lemons, limes, or oranges adds a refreshing and vibrant touch to any front door. Love classic summer decor? Like and share this video to spread the inspiration. How can I make a DIY floral summer wreath? Creating your own summer wreath is easier than you think. Start with a grapevine or foam wreath base, which provides a sturdy foundation for your design. Next, use a hot glue gun to attach artificial or dried flowers like daisies, hydrangeas, or lavender for a fresh and colorful look. To add dimension, incorporate decorative elements like a burlap bow, wooden signs, or small butterflies for a charming final touch. Love DIY projects? Comment below with your favorite summer flower for a wreath. What are some budget-friendly summer wreath ideas? You don't have to spend a fortune to create a stunning summer wreath. One budget-friendly idea is using materials from the dollar store, such as faux flowers, greenery, and simple ribbon, to craft a beautiful, affordable design. Another great option is repurposing old decorations by taking apart an old wreath and giving it a fresh new look with updated seasonal elements. If you love nature-inspired decor, gathering real greenery, twigs, or dried flowers from your garden can be a cost-effective and unique way to build a natural wreath. Want more budget-friendly decor hacks? Check the description for my favorite affordable wreath-making supplies. What are some unique summer wreath ideas? If you're looking for something different, there are plenty of creative wreath designs to explore. One unique idea is a succulent wreath, where faux or preserved succulents are arranged in a circular pattern for a modern, trendy look. Another fun option is a watermelon-themed wreath, using red and green ribbons, painted wooden slices, or fabric pieces to mimic the look of a juicy summer treat. For a playful and whimsical design, a flamingo wreath with pink feathers, tropical flowers, and palm leaves can bring a fun, vacation-ready vibe to your door. Loving these unique ideas? Subscribe for more creative home decor inspiration. How can I create a farmhouse-style summer wreath? Farmhouse-style decor is timeless, and summer wreaths can easily fit this cozy aesthetic. A great way to achieve this look is using a neutral color palette with elements like white hydrangeas, cotton stems, and greenery for a rustic yet elegant design. Another idea is incorporating burlap or gingham ribbon, which adds a country chic vibe to your wreath. For a personal touch, adding a wooden monogram or a small farmhouse-style sign with words like "Hello Summer" or "Welcome" can make your wreath extra special. Love farmhouse decor? Check the description for my top farmhouse wreath picks. How can I make a summer wreath that lasts all season? If If you want your summer wreath to stay fresh and vibrant for months, there are a few key tricks. One tip is choosing high-quality faux flowers instead of real ones, as they will hold up against heat and humidity. Another important step is sealing your wreath with a UV protectant spray, which helps prevent fading from the sun. Finally, storing your wreath indoors when not in use or during bad weather can extend its lifespan significantly. Want to keep your wreath looking fresh? Check the description for my favorite long-lasting decor supplies. What are some indoor uses for summer wreaths? Wreaths aren't just for front doors. They can be a stylish touch inside your home too. One idea is hanging a small summer wreath on your kitchen cabinet doors for a festive seasonal update. Another creative use is placing a wreath as a centerpiece on your dining table, surrounding a lantern or candle for a cozy summer ambiance. For a stylish and unexpected touch, hang a wreath over a large mirror or window to add texture and seasonal charm to any room. Love decorating indoors? Check the description for more home styling tips. What colors work best for summer wreaths? The right color palette can make all the difference in your summer wreath design. A popular choice is bright and cheerful colors like yellow, coral, and turquoise, which instantly create a lively summer vibe. If you prefer a softer look, pastel shades like blush pink, light blue, and mint green bring a fresh and airy feel. For a sophisticated and timeless style, neutral tones like beige, cream, and soft greens work beautifully for a classic summer wreath. Want to see more color ideas? Check the description for my favorite summer color palettes. Summer wreaths are the perfect way to add seasonal charm and personality to your home. Whether you prefer a classic sunflower wreath, a a DIY floral design, a budget-friendly option, or a fun tropical twist, there's a perfect summer wreath for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for even more summer decor inspiration. Happy decorating!